Hi guys, hello everyone! So during our today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to paint watercolor fish, and I'm gonna use my brush set that I created for that, and I hope you would enjoy that as well. So let's get started. I think now we can start, and we have our sketch layer that is here. I will share the sketch layer with you so you can use it and use it as a tracings, use it as your reference picture. For today's class I'm gonna use my third set with a new texture paper that I created. This one, you might see that here. I also have the other one, this texture paper, but I want to try a new one. And I'm also gonna share with you one of my brushes from this set as well, so you can check it and try. My today's theme is painting Japanese fishes in a Japanese style, so let's start doing that. And this is my painting set, and I'm gonna go and grab my BooStudio watercolor brush. And I will go and grab yellow color, and by the way guys, I'm gonna share with you my color palette as well. So I like that. So I'm gonna add shade here, and after I will blend that as well. Blending tool, I'm gonna go and grab my Simple Blender watercolor. You can check my previous classes where I shared my other blenders, for example Gentle Blender watercolor. But this painting slightly differs from the other Japanese paintings that I made. I don't grab black color, this is something like dark purple. You can see that here. So don't use entirely black shades, you don't need that. And guys, if you like, you can check my other blenders. For example, I do like BooStudio Blender watercolor. And you need to make these circular movements. One is Huge Blender watercolor, and it's really huge, and I also like the shadings that it makes. For BooStudio Blender, it's perfect to have like 3 shades all together, and it can help you to mix it. BooStudio watercolor brush, so grab and use BooStudio watercolor brush as an eraser, and don't forget about highlights. Simple Blender watercolor. Okay, perfect. Now next step is a very important one. We need to start adding some details, and for that I'm gonna go and grab my Cactus watercolor brush, that one that I'm gonna share with you as well. This brush is really good for painting cactuses. And you also have two options. First option, you can leave the sketch layer, this one that I'm gonna share with you, and the second option, you can turn it off. I'll show you two options so you can pick ones that you like. And if you leave the sketch, it would be more in Japanese style. So once again, it's up to you which way to choose. Now blend it slightly. Because we still need to give this watercolor look, and when we paint with watercolor, you still have those edges. Well, we've done with our first fish, and now let's move to the second one. I think we stay on the same layer, and this fish I want to make red. Like that. And let's start painting. And for the second fish, I want to change my brush. Again, actually, speaking about this fish, I'm gonna copy that and move it to another layer because I want to duplicate and make it more bright and saturated. So cut and paste. And now I want to duplicate this layer, and as you might see now, this fish is very saturated. Actually, the same we can do with the other one, but I don't want to make it that saturated, maybe like this. So once again, I drew them in totally different styles thanks to the brushes that I used. Now let's keep adding details. Now I will merge it once again together, and I'm gonna change my brush to a BooStudio watercolor one. So let's just blend all of it. Now I need to be in a new layer that is below all our fishes, and I'm gonna go and grab some kind of blue color because I want to paint fish in the water. And for that I will go and grab my blue textured watercolor brush. Because I don't want to make water that bright. merge together. That's it. And our next thing that I'm gonna do, I want to make sharp edges, and in this way I am on a layer where we have water, and I go to selection tool, press automatic, I grab that one, after that feather, hue, saturation, brightness, and lower the saturation. Next thing is I go to fishes, hue, automatic, and I need to pick them as well, and after feather, and I will feather them 7% brightness and lower the brightness like that. And that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial. It was very fast and so simple. You can download the sketch, the brush that I added to the description. You can check my other brushes that I gave for free already in my previous classes, and you can check my whole brush set following the link that I leave in the description below. So if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next time. Bye bye!